What's up, everybody? Supercar Street Racing here, and today UPS just left and there is something out here I want you guys to check out. Guys, welcome back to the channel, and today there is a couple of awesome boxes here. Don't make fun of my socks, it's cold and I have hardwood floors, but let's take a look at what's in these boxes. What do you guys think? I mean, I'm so hyped for this. I looked forever for exactly something that I wanted, and I found it and literally ordered it yesterday, and it is here now. And oh, you know what that is. That is the special wheel condom, and underneath that wheel condom we have, oh man, these are freaking beautiful. Look at the wheels, guys. I am so hyped for these wheels. Look at this. Check out these wheels, guys. We got the little SS center cap, which I really want to turn black. I'll probably end up doing that black, filling that in with the wheelbase marker or whatever, but check this out. So these are 14-inch wheels for the Club Car Precedent, and they look just like some of the wheels for some of the cars, which I used to own, so I'm really stoked about this. These things look amazing, and the reason I love these is because the new ones all have bolts, silver bolts all the way around, and this is a clean look that's going to look absolutely sick on the golf cart, and I am so hyped. There also should be black lug nuts in one of these packages. I'm not going to go ahead and open up the other packages yet, but at the moment I am looking for tires for these, so as soon as I can find some tires, I think I found some, then the guy will also mount them pretty cheap, so we're going to be heading out to do that, maybe with Joe. Joe will give us a ride. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little update and let you check out the new wheels that I got. Get you a closer look here. Look at these guys. Things are so awesome. Really nice quality wheels, and perfect for a black golf cart if I do get the golf cart to be converted to black somehow. I'm still working on what I'm going to do with that, if I'm going to get the body painted or wrapped or whatever. But stay tuned, guys. These are the new wheels and I am super hyped about it. Alright guys, I just ordered a VIP carbon fiber dash kit for the Precedent, and I'm about to order the little bezel right here that goes across it in carbon fiber as well. But that is the kit, VIP dash kit here. If we click on it here, it actually has a hole here for a gauge style marine radio. However, I think I'm going to try a tablet on mine and mount it right here over this hole. If that doesn't work out, I will get the marine style, but I really want to do a tablet, like an 8 or a 10-inch tablet on this. I think it would look awesome. But there's a good look at that. And then next I'm going to be ordering the little bezel cover for the dash to match the carbon fiber dash kit for the Club Car Precedent. Alright, I know this is confusing because that looks like wood, but this is the carbon fiber dash trim that goes over the top of the dash to round out the carbon fiber dash kit. Hopefully it works out good. The reviews are mixed, so we are going to see. But another place has it, but I already have a credit in Amazon. I'll put a picture of the other place on eBay that has it up on the screen so you know exactly what that looks like. But yeah, I just ordered the dash kit for the marine style bezel gauges, and now I'm going to get the, I think I might even have it up here. Let's see. Oh, we can look at it. Club Car Precedent, carbon fiber dash trim. so you can see a better picture of what it actually looks like. So here's an actual shot of it right there. So that is what makes out the entire kit and makes it all look great. Guys, just wanted to give a huge shout out to ST Wheels, who were awesome in this transaction, and I didn't want to leave them behind. I'm gonna put a link in the description to ST Wheels on Facebook. This guy's awesome. He shipped the wheels out literally Saturday, and I had them today, so literally 1 day later. Either Friday or Saturday, I can't remember, but it came really fast. He's also in Florida, so it made it easy. Guys, please do the channel a favor. If you need wheels for your golf cart, check out ST Wheels. The link is in the description and below. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a great day.